Welcome to DTTV. Today is a good day and a sad day. My track car has been old faithful for some time now. Someone's coming to have a look at it, so hopefully it'll sell today. Just having to jump start at the minute because it's been sat in my friend's garage for some time. And if you were wondering, yes, this is new merch. Well spotted to those of you that saw it. But yeah, just about to jump start the car. The car's going to go as a whole package. Some pretty much brand new tyres in there. 4 spare wheels which I had fabricated, which I never fitted. It's actually the same colour as the ones that are already on it, the OZF1s. Now they are a soft wheel, so they do buckle very easy, but they're super lightweight and they're the ones that are recommended for using the track day. Just a bit of information, the old engine blew up, so I put a new engine in it. I haven't even done another track day in it. It's done about 30 miles since the new install with 438 cams, brand new starter motor and alternator. You can see the starter motor's down here. What else have we got on there? It's had all brand new fluids. The clutch was almost new. It's had a load of work over time, so I will go through that in a bit more detail at some point with you afterwards, but it will be sorry if it just goes today. Yet again, it is raining, annoyingly. But yeah, I mean, the car is great and I'm going to be really sad to see it go, but the money that I can get for selling it, I'll be able to put towards finishing the FRP build, which, as you all know, is our dream build. Flop dash, PMS shifter, and a split steering wheel. The Carnival bucket seats, save out harnesses. I will be looking to put those in my racing Puma, so if it does sell, I'll be taking those. So the lad came to have a look, and unfortunately I couldn't get it started, which is really embarrassing. However, I managed to get it going now. He's only just down the road, so hopefully he'll be back shortly to take a look at it. But it seems to be running well. Just had to jump it off the big van that we're using at the moment. So yeah, she's up and running. It sounds nice. It sounds really nice and cam. If you ever listen to it here. 438 cams in this. It's really going to be a shame to let it go, to be honest. And if I could keep it, I would. Sounds great as well. I mean, it's a great car. Really sad to see it go, to be honest with you. You've got the full set of spare wheels, basically a brand new pair of tyres, 80/08s. I put it up for 3.5, but I think I'll probably let it go for 3 because there's a few marks on it. There's a mark on here. I tried to get it down the side of my house, and on the front wing, you can get a new wing for like 30 quid. It should be a good match because the blue doesn't really fade. And there's a little mark on the side over here. But other than that, I mean, it's a good order really. It's a great car. There's a little, actually with that said, there's a little dent on there that could be brought out, but it's as a track car, you can't really go wrong with it. So I am extremely pissed off. I'd just like to thank the dickhead who went in the back of my van and stole my toolbox with all the tools in that I've been using probably for maybe up to 15 years. All the little tools that I have, all the ones that are specific for the jobs that I do. I hope you die in a freak yachting accident, you bastard. Why? And also, Storm Dennis, you can suck a dick as well. Not a good start, needless to say. I'm extremely pissed off at this moment in time. So, apart from the fact that I'm really peed off, the engine mount stand has arrived, so I'm going to put that up together and try and get the clutch and flywheel off the engine, put together the engine stand and get it up in the air. So I'll put you on a time lapse and watch me putting that together. One last thing to mention first is, hopefully once I get all the engine apart, take the can cover off, a few other bits, I'll put them all together, load up the van with all the bits, and then hopefully Monday lunchtime I'll take them to the shop blasters. So at least that's something to look forward to. Up in the air. Light and balanced flywheel is off. Clutch is off. As you can see, it's brand new. It's never been used at all. So keep all of these safe. Now this is up in the air. You start stripping down the remaining parts. It's on a bit of difficulty getting suitable bolts for that, but I managed to get there in the end. Got help from my beautiful assistant Sean to lift it up. And now let's just get on with taking all these bits off, keeping track where they all go. And then let's see about starting to clean up the block and take off the cam cover. Right, I'm going to put you back on time lapse. Also lads, just a quick one, just trying to take the bottom of the engine off so we get this all powder coated and shot blasted. Now I've taken out all of the bolts that go all around the bottom here, all of those puppies. Is there any more that I need to take off, because I'm finding it hard to split it from the block. I've given it a good whack with a wooden mallet, but I can't seem to get it shifted. Am I missing something, please? Good old Shepton mallet. Tools have been found. I'm going to go and collect them now, so I'm really happy about that. So I'm guessing when I was driving down in the van that perhaps the back doors opened and they fell out and then the doors closed again, but it does seem rather strange. But anyway, I'm going to go in there, see if I can collect them now. So that's great news, because I really didn't want to lose them. Just quickly though, backing on with the engine, there is a lot of bolts. Taking out the spark plugs, I need to give them a good clean down there. I don't want anything dropping down into the engine, because that would not be good in the combustion chamber. Spark plugs are all brand new. I'll give them a little clean up. As you can see, where are we? There. They've not even been used, so that's good. Save a few pounds. I've taken the water pump off. Now with the Yamaha engine, unlike quite a lot of other engines, you can't take the water pump off without the timing belt being taken off. But as this has been put on and timed already, this is not something I want to take off. So luckily you can still get to the bolts in order to remove the water pump. So the water pump's now off. It's actually getting there. I've taken all the bolts off the underside. I just need to split this bottom part away from the engine, and then I can go and get that sent away and done. But yeah, it's looking pretty bare now. I'm really happy with the progress I've made. The lobes on the cams look pretty good. All looks in pretty good order. As I said, I'll need to give this a really thorough clean out. I'll put this old spark plugs back in there, sand and clean all around here, get all the muck out, and then take the spark plugs out and refit the fresh ones, because as I said, you don't want anything going down in here into where the combustion chamber is. So anyway, yeah, I'll leave that for now. I'm going to go and collect my tools, so catch you again shortly.